The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch.
Like I'm you who not have to be hiding. I have to go up in a chocolate tonight too. I want to rescue me at my pen station. What girls rescue me at my pen station? Up in the truck for me tonight. No ID. Line.
Never put back my hand in my
But him that Tagalan, you know.
like politics for us. All in school is that. You put Germany in there. So if you live right, so you can't get the ID right. So.
Up in the truck, up in the truck. But I want me to do me no must laugh. Me can just walk out of my yard and come down in the town and I can't ID for me and I go up in the truck. This is more than sign.
I'll laugh out backside, though. Even them nice.
Those are in K Valley.
I'm gonna make a real angry at the top. How me can call? Like rough enough? Right, it's munching on what that?
Yeah, I'm most of a children in the Magalan, man.
No, like K Valley.
See, only for helicopter. Only for helicopter in a K Valley. Up in the truck. Up in the truck. Those are not the K Valley and we're supposed to walk with the ID anywhere we're going.
Yeah, the excitement.
If you want to use the bathroom, you have to go bend down behind one of the vehicles in the public. You can't go anywhere, you have to stay one place. Females one side, males one side.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancer Skiller. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, this video that I just present to you, my viewers and subscribers, said to show off a raid that had happened, the JCF along with the JDF, police and soldiers of Jamaica, made a raid at a place that is known as Cape Valley in St. Ann, Jamaica, right? And this is of a party, right, where this party was at a location, but for some reason the party relocated, and there's a little story behind that thing. But some of the things that has been said about this party, moving from place to place, some of it not really, at least into my knowledge, it's not confirmed. So therefore, me not get into that still. But the thing is, what I have to point out is that you listen to the video, you hear the Cape Valley mentioned, but you hear something about ID, which means identification. So viewers and subscribers, I would like to point it out that just in case, if you're going out and so forth, just in case, just walk with the identification, because maybe things like this happen and you might your identification might be needed at the time, just to clarify who you are, you know? Yeah, so that's my advice to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? But anyways, this is where me leave it with your viewers and subscribers. You know, you can let me know what you think about something like this, and I'm just here to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. Alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.